Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we talk about top 10 powerful weapons of Indian Defence Forces. India, the world's largest democracy, is also one of the most powerful military forces on the planet. With cutting-edge technology and indigenously developed weapons, the Indian Armed Forces stand ready to defend the nation. In this video, we bring you the top 10 most powerful weapons of Indian Defence Forces that strike fear and administration across the world. Number 10. Pinaka Multi-Barrel Rocket Launcher MBRL. Indigenous Pinaka MBRL developed by DRDO. This rocket launcher can fire a salvo of 12 rockets in just 44 seconds, reaching targets over 75 km away. It played a key role in the Kargil war and continued to evolve with extended range version. Number 9. INS Vikrant Aircraft Carrier. India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier, the INS Vikrant is a floating air base capable of carrying MiG-29K fighter jets and helicopters. It symbolizes India's self-reliance and strengthens the Navy blue water capabilities. Number 8. Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jet. A true air dominance fighter, the Su-30 MKI is the backbone of the Indian Air Force. Equipped with BrahMos missiles, air-to-air and air-to-ground weaponry, it is known for agility, range and multi-role capabilities. Number 7. BrahMos Supersonic Cruise Missile. A joint venture with Russia, BrahMos is the world's fastest cruise missile, reaching speeds of Mach 2.8 to 3. It can be launched from land, sea, air and even submarines. Its a pinpoint accuracy makes it a true game changer. Number 6. Arjun MK First One Main Battle Tank. Developed indigenously, the Arjun MK First One is a third generation main battle tank with advanced fire control system, explosive reactive armor and a powerful 120 mm rifle gun. It designed for high survivability in combat. Number 5. Agni 5 Intercontinental Ballistic Missile ICBM. The Agni 5 is India's most powerful strategic missile with a range of over 5,000 km, capable of carrying nuclear warheads. It plays almost all of the Asia and parts of Europe within striking distance, bolstering India's deterrence capabilities. Number 4. Tejas Light Combat Aircraft LCA. The pride of Make in India, Tejas LCA is a lightweight multi-role fighter aircraft. It's agile, fast and fitted with advanced avionics. With Tejas Mk2 and Navy version in the pipeline, it marks a major milestone at India's aerospace ambitions. Number 3. S-400 Air Defense System. Acquired from Russia, the S-400 is among the world's most advanced air defense systems. It can simultaneously track and destroy multiple areas, threats like aircraft, UAV, and ballistic missiles at range up to 400 km. Number 2. INS Arihant Nuclear Submarine. Part of India nuclear trade, INS Arihant is a ballistic missile submarine capable of launching nuclear missiles from underwater. It ensures India's second strike capability, making it a silent guardian beneath the sea. Number 1. Rafale Fighter Jet. At the top of our list is the Rafale, a 4.5 generation multi-role fighter acquired from France. Known as the
with electronic warfare and precision strike abilities. Rafales give India a definitive edge in the skies. Conclusion. From the depth of the oceans to the height of the skies, Indian Defence Forces are equipped with a state-of-the-art weaponry. These 10 powerful weapons are not just a machine, they are symbols of strength, strategy and sovereignty. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.